In order to understand the future, we need to understand the past.
Nature is a life force that is billions of years old. Human civilization is only 5,000 years old. It began with authoritarian rule, a series of god kings.
Democracy has very little track record in history.
Even Rome's republic nominated a temporary dictator for times of war.
Today, there is a war going on against life itself.
The world's political leaders are waging a crusade that is destroying the biological foundations of life on this planet. This world order is presiding over the largest extinction of life seen since the Permian extinction. Today's leaders want to promise you a fake future. They tell you that this is a good system. Yet the reality of nature is beginning to intrude on their delusions. Nature is an ancient, timeless force. A force that represents truth itself.
The modern industrial world order, on the other hand, is less than 200 years old,
but it is already causing a catastrophic amount of destruction.
One particular problem is the endless amount of debt that our leaders are running against the economy and the environment. Eventually, this system is going to face dire consequences. The odds are overwhelming that billions are going to die.
In order to protect the biological foundations of life, a massive centralization of power will be necessary.
It would be great if our democratic systems could peacefully push through needed reforms. But if the system continues to destroy the resources necessary for life, nature will assert its brutal solution, one way or another.
People will demand a leader who will prevent the endless destruction of life. A future leader who will be very charismatic.
Modern technology will be instrumental in their propaganda orchestra.
The coming lords of the earth will unleash a reign of terror to enforce order.
Yesterday, today, and tomorrow, time remains the same. The laws of nature cannot be ignored. If drastic reforms do not come, fate will intervene. A system founded on eternal values will be put into place. Primordial forces will emerge. We will return to long-term historical truths. Nature's laws will assert themselves one way or another.